This is the Magic 8 Pro, the new flagship from Honor. About a month ago, we featured the Magic V5, the thinnest photo phone yet. Now, what about this one? Is any special on it? Let's show you in this video, but this video is just a hands-on. We can't show you everything about it, so enjoy the things for now, I guess. This video is brought to you by HOVERAir. This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max, an extremely easy to use self-flying drone with an awesome camera. Now I'm completely falling in love with it because it can really record a lot of memorable scenes. It captured some awesome moments when our team member went on a hiking. The view of the route and the ocean is truly magnificent. It also has AI subject tracking, so you can run on a beach and have the drone film it for you. It is very small and light. You can put it into your backpack without taking too much of the space. It can fly up within 10 seconds. Just unfold it and hit the button, then it will take off from your hand. The camera can capture a 107 degrees of view and up to 8K 30 FPS of image. And it can also be a very good tool if you want to record those moments for your friends. Just use the modularized controller with the app, and then you can fly the drone like a conventional one. One battery can support 60 minutes of flying, and double that with a second battery if you have the budget. This drone is a really good gift for people who love drone photography, including little children. Hover also wants us to tell you the co-pilot are now usable in modes like orbit, zoom out, and bird's eye. You can go out there and try it. First things first, let's do a quick unboxing. There's the phone on the top, then the SIM pin and a soft gel case. At the bottom, there's the 100-watt fast charger and the cable. And finally, the phone itself. I'm sure there will be manuals and stuff for the retail version, and this is basically it. Design-wise, I would say it hasn't changed much from the last gen. It still keeps the classic Honor family camera module with a subtle cloth Paris deco around it. Still very good looking. And the big plus is that unlike other flagships, the size of the camera module on this phone hasn't changed, and my index finger can rest comfortably there. The back panel and the front display are also a bit curved. It provides a very good feel in the hand. Honestly, I like this design. In the era of everybody using flat screen and a flat back panel, keeping the curvature still says a lot of the thinking Honor has and the understanding of what many people need. The back panel has a very mellow wave texture on it, reflecting a bit of the green and the gray colors. Now, the frame has this brushed metal look. It does not break the balance of everything, so I would say the design is still top-notch. And in case you haven't noticed, the size of the phone is actually 6.71 inches, about 0.1 inches smaller than the last gen, I think. I'm not quite sure why the size shrunk, but I do think it is still comfortable to hold it. This time on the right side of the frame, an AI button has been added to it. Unlike Apple or other brands that just empowered the camera feature for this button, Honor is doing a better approach. You can program the feature for one press and double press, either AI feature or the camera. For example, if you use the camera more often, then one press to get to camera makes more sense, and a double press for AI features. When using the button for camera features, unlike the camera button on the iPhone that can only toggle through a fixed zoom, it can support stepless zooming or out. And when getting to a native focal length like a 1x, 2x, 3.7x, there's a haptic feedback. So I think the usability is much better than the iPhones. If you want to use AI features on it, there are also many. You can either use the AI memories or get to Honor AI directly. I prefer to use AI memories, so whenever I see a useful piece of article, it can just copy and make a note. Then you can do many things like compose the notes or making a summary, etc. Very useful. Overall, the AI button is very user-friendly, and you are like me who always use the phone with the left hand, then this button is just within the reach of the middle finger or the ring finger. For the camera specs, it is a 50 megapixel main camera and ultra-wide, 200 megapixel telephoto camera. This is almost the same combo like the last gen, but the actual specs of each camera has changed a bit. So the main camera is with a 1.3 big sensor, f1.6 aperture. The telephoto camera has been the strength of Honor's flagships in the last couple of years. The 200 megapixel camera has a blend of a 10x optical zoom and a 100x digital zoom. And when it's beyond the 10x zoom, the AI kicks in to make the shot viewable. The ultra-wide is with the f2 aperture and it supports 2.5 cm HD macro shots. So during the time reviewing this phone, I had the chance to be in Vietnam and Hong Kong. It helped me capture some stunning photos. The photos from the main camera are vibrant, which is also the default color style, and it suits the culture of Vietnam. Whether it's daytime or the night, it can maintain good color accuracy and capture much details. Then if you are not quite satisfied with the styles in some photos, there's the AI Magic Color for retouch. The preset templates can be used while taking a photo or even applied to the photos you took. This kind of a one-click move can really save you time for photo editing. The super telephoto camera comes into play many times. Like in the customs, we waited in line. Not sure if we are in the right line, then I use the camera to capture the text on the billboard. It is very useful. Then the super telephoto also captured some shots in a quite long distance. You can still see some facial details of the princess in this picture. Then the most impressive shot is the night shot of the building. Honest shot is clearly much better than the Vivo X200 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, when traveling, there will always be people everywhere. Like for this photo, I used the AI eraser to get rid of the people in this shot. The final result is quite good. It can also take a very good looking portrait. Okay, these are initial tastes of the Honor Magic 8 Pro. This is the new flagship that packs many unique features. I like the design of it. It keeps the slight curvature. It feels very good in the hand. And one thing we wouldn't be able to talk about is the battery and the chip. But actually, all we know is that the battery exceeds 7,000 milliamp. And it also has the Snapdragon 880 Gen 5. Of course, there are also some other details we didn't mention about this phone. You can wait for our full review later. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.